This new homeowner in Princeton, New Jersey, decided to take a proactive approach and treat her home for termites. Since termites cause over $5 billion in property damage annually, and that cost isn't covered by many homeowners insurance, this was a smart move. She decided that she wanted to have Sentricon termite bait stations installed around her home. Right now, we're digging holes into the soil in order to securely install the bait stations, making sure to strategically spread them apart. Termites love the cellulose material inside the bait stations up to 10 times more than the cellulose in your home. Once the termites start snacking on this application and share it with the rest of their colony, they consume an insect growth inhibitor, which prevents them from being able to mature through molting. Without being able to molt, they are exterminated, and so is the rest of the colony. And the home will be protected from termites for many years to come.